The teleporter is not in a great spot right now, but we'll have to see. This little spot here that's interrupting the flow, that's our bridge that we built. Then carrying on down the yard to the culvert pipe that we put in right there. As you can see, the water is backed up, flowing not only over top of the culvert, but over the entire yard. And then it's coming down from our neighbors up here. It's coming over this way. And despite our efforts to improve the drainage of the driveway, yeah, even ideally, it's not going to handle this. The whole yard over to the neighbor's house over there, just completely flooded. It's deep enough in there, you could probably launch a boat in it. The power is out inside, but good news is the roof repair seems to be holding for now, but yeah, this is pretty wild. Look at how much water. This is going to tear all kinds of stuff up. You okay, buddy? Georgie. As water does, it's only getting worse with time. Now we got water all the way over here, and this is not even 10 minutes later. Our little bridge is getting a beating. Over here, like, look at this. It's flowing over every gutter. Just so much water so quickly. So good news is, over here where we're going to build the shop is staying dry so far. Wow. We'll assess the damage here a little bit. Tiffany's got the backhoe over here already. We flooded out right here. This had completely washed away. We moved the teleporter halfway through the flooding and had to get that out of here before it tipped over. Tiff's rearranging the backhoe to get to this better because our little bridge has filled up and completely turned into a dam. So all of this was channeled out probably at least a foot deep, and now it's all full up, but hey, free gravel. So of course some of this is kind of rocks rather than gravel, but that's our main casualty here. Teleporter is safe and sound. So this has opened up pretty excessively, I would say. You can see where it was, and our water line is exposed again. It's just washed this out. started to undermine back under the concrete just a little bit, so we're gonna have to pack that back in. And just the sheer amount of gravel that's come through here. You see the muddy water coming through? That's because Tiffany's rampaging back there with the backhoe. And then all the gravel that's washed up into here, it's washed down. It washed down from up the hill up here, across our road. So this gravel you can see right here, that came from up the road. It's squashed weeds up there, made just a general mess of everything. But thankfully we've got the backhoe so we can straighten it all out, even though it may take us a while. So here's a few last little pictures in closing. Sorry for the horrible quality. They were taken with my cell phone during the storm, and it wasn't terribly happy. But this is our road and the water that's rushing down from across our road. Usually there's no water there at all. This is a view back just to show you just how deep it is. A car came by and it was probably about 4 to 6 inches deep. It covered between their tire and their rim. Here's Tiffany standing in the middle of it. While it wouldn't wash you away, it was quite a bit of force. And then here's another shot just of the road. I was quite impressed with how how much water was coming across the road. That was pretty wild. So we'll get it cleaned up though. There's another one of Tiffany. It'll just take us a little while, but right here is a picture in our neighbor's garage. You can see how deep the water was, almost covering the wheel on their lawnmower. But that's all for now. Thanks for watching.